It's been a minute. Alright, plans for the K24. Just going to chuck it all back together and use it as a mock-up block for the Odyssey's turbo system. So everything will go back in. Hopefully I put it back in the right way. And yeah, use it to mock up like turbo exhaust and intake and whatnot. Well, let's get this fuzz going and I'll get it out. So it's supposed to be some good weather tomorrow, so I might get stuck into some painting. That's why I'm getting the skyline, getting the Forester out. Got to bring the keys out for it, so we'll go run inside and grab them, and hopefully it starts. So I left the battery attached. See if it starts. Absolutely nothing. Oh yeah, it started. What's with that power steering? I haven't even taken it off. I think I just need a new power steering pump. Unless it's leaking from the steering rack, it's a power steering pump. That's where I might take the engine out, check how the engine is, and see if it is the power steering rack, the steering rack. And obviously with the engine out, gearbox is still leaking. We'll see. Actually, I might not take it out. Definitely needs, as you saw, a water reservoir. It's leaking from the around the bottom. Power steering pump or like the steering rack. Yeah, just want to get these guards done. Definitely need to get them done. Yeah. Don't know where to start. I know I need to get the skyline done. I need to do paint on the skyline. But I'll probably bring the skyline in tomorrow and get this out tomorrow. Bring the skyline in, and yeah, so there we go. It is a lovely day today, so I might take the skyline out now, go for a little drive, because it will be the last time for a little while, because I'll be painting, so there we go. that. Still hear that power steering. Yeah. Alright, plans guys, future plans. Get the K24 back together, and I'll just put it on maybe an old tyre. I'll get the engine out of this. I might go to Mum and Dad's and get a couple of tyres. Get the engine out, either chuck it on a tyre or on the engine stand. We can have a look at power steering rack, gearbox, obviously manual conversion? I don't know guys. Summer's coming in Australia. It's spring now for 2nd of September, so weather's getting better. I would like to get this out. Maybe just chuck another auto in it. One that hasn't been opened. So let's go to pick apart today. Let's go. Alright, back at pick apart, but we're here. Forester parts. I'm gonna go in first, have a look around, and then if there's anything good, come out and grab my tools. Not like at the Campbellfield one, I did like 2 laps carrying the tools for nothing. Right. Nothing good for sale. A reservoir here. Just a gearbox. Obviously it's got to be a turbo for the reservoir, because we're just getting these. Yes, having a coffee. The taps are here, so and the radiator. Well, there's no reservoirs in there, mainly because there's no turbos in there. Oh well, time for a drive. Where did the sun go? Alrighty guys, I am back in the garage. It's late now, it's not really late, it's about 8 o'clock. So, didn't really get much done today. I am maybe looking at doing the paint on the Skyline tomorrow, because it's going to be about 20 degrees tomorrow. We couldn't find a reservoir at Pick Apart today, so that's on hold, because it needs to be a turbo for that, because they are normally in the radiator. So yeah, tomorrow, not the next episode, but the one after, I'll be doing paint. So if you want to see the rear bumper get painted, guys, stay tuned for next episode, which will be Thursday. Actually, it'll be Friday, because I'll be announcing the winner of the $100 gift card on Thursday. Stay tuned for that, guys. Alrighty, guys. So a few things we need to fix. We need to fix the power steering. We need to fix that reservoir there. As you can see, it's leaking. It's leaking from around here. So I need to replace that, either with an OEM one or an aftermarket one. And yeah, Gearbox needs to be either fixed or replaced as well, and we have a drive shaft as well that needs replacing. So we've still got a fair bit to do on this, and we do really want to get these done. The wide body at the front here, that's why I'm still running these black panels. All to come, guys. Stay tuned to the Forester build, guys. There's plenty more to come. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.